Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick video doing an unboxing, a review, an initial try-on or impression of the Toms Alpargata shoes in the Bonsai Green Color. These shoes are going to be in size 10.5, which is my normal shoe size. I didn't adjust it up or down, so we'll see how the general fit is. I recently purchased these from Amazon for about $33. The reason why I got them is I needed a new slip-on shoe or slipper for when I'm in my home, in my apartment, because it gets cold at times and I don't want to wear socks or bare feet, and my prior slippers finally wore through. And so I decided to go with Toms just because I never tried them out, and for a price of $33 they were super cheap and I just kind of wanted to try them. So we'll just get this box open, we'll show you the slippers, and then I'll throw them on my feet to give you a general idea of what they look like and the overall fit. So these are the Toms Alpargata shoes. Here's the labeling, hopefully you can see it, but basically it says it right here. So it's the Alpargata Espadrille. It's gonna be 10.5. Usually they retail at $55. I got these on Amazon for $33, so super cheap, super affordable. It's gonna be in the Bonsai Green Color, and it's gonna be the Heritage Canvas model. So that's everything as far as the details. We'll just take a look at them now. So the boxing is pretty basic, but inside you have the actual shoes. So this is what they look like. So this is the Bonsai Green Color. So it's a canvas top. So you see canvas wrapping around the front all the way around, kind of in these strips that go across the foot throughout. And it's this canvas or Bonsai Green Color, which is like a foresty green. It's a cool, unique color. The canvas has a nice texture to it. So this is what it looks like on the side. The bottom is going to be actually this black rubber. So I like the look of the black rubber, which is why I picked it. So this is the side, this is the front, and the kind of the top. All right, this is the other side. All right, and then this is the back, which has the Toms logo there. They do have a couple inserts here, so this just tells you the model, the size, that sort of thing as far as the actual shoe. They do list kind of that it's earthwise. So Toms used to be like give away one shoe for one shoe, but they had a lot of difficulty with maintaining that like sustainable model from a benefit standpoint. So now they give 1/3 of their income away to like grassroots companies. So they still give away, but they just don't give it in the traditional sense for one-to-one, just because the business had a lot of issues with maintaining that. But here's the bottom of the sole. So it's a rubber design, kind of like a soft rubber. It's not like very thick, but it's very pliable. So that's kind of the general look. And then we'll pull out the insert here. And so this is what the inside looks like. It's got this like zigzag black-white appearance on the like edge all the way across the outside. So that's that. And then it has kind of like the Toms logo and an insert here. The insert's like a mix of rubber and canvas for the bottom. So that's what it looks like, and it says 1/3 of profits for grassroots goods. So that's the general fit. It's very flexible, very kind of like a nice design in general. I'll say for $33 is definitely seems like worth the price. Definitely well built as far as quality. My only concern is that with this model, as far as like the overall build and stuff, is like if you wore this outside on a regular basis or walked a lot in it, I would anticipate that either the canvas could tear very easily because it is relatively thin, or it would separate from the sole. So I'm just gonna be wearing these as an in-home slipper alone. So it should last for years, hopefully, as far as build. So that's the left shoe. I'm just going to show you the right shoe just to give it a general sense. So this is what the right shoe looks like. So that's that. And then here's the side here, top, and then the back here. Okay, and then that's the bottom. And so what I'll do real quick is I'll set up the camera, throw these on, and give you a general sense of the look and the fit on my actual foot. Okay, so bear with me as I throw these on. So as I discussed, I ended up getting these in a size 10.5, which is my normal size. The reason why I did not go with 11 was because I was worried that there would be too much material. So if these loosened up over time, they would just be too loose. As far as fit with the 10.5, it's very snug to my toes. So if you look, my big toe is about here, and it's very, like, it's conformed to the actual shoe. And then my other toes are in line with it. So I'll say that in general, these shoes are true to the size. So if you get a 10.5, you're gonna get a 10.5, and it's gonna be a little bit snug. Hopefully this does loosen up to a certain extent, but not too loose over time. But in general, it fits very well as far as fit. They're very flexible. I have no complaints as far as the fit. It's just like a snug fit for your shoe, which is you anticipate with this style. So I have no complaints as far as the fit. I'd say that if I went with 11, it'd probably be too big and bulky and uncomfortable. And definitely if I went with a size smaller at a 10, it would be way too tight. So go with the size you want. If you want a little bit excess material, you can go a size up, but I don't know how well these fit over time with use. Here's what they look like from the front. Here's from the side, here's from the back, and then here's from the other side. And then this is from the sole. So that gives you a general sense of what it looks like. So overall, I like the fit, I like the design. They are very comfortable. It's a shoe that I'm really just gonna be wearing as like a slip-on shoe for in my house, so I don't have to walk around in socks or bare feet. So it's just like an all-around comfortable shoe. I have no complaints as far as that. The overall style and look is not my personal taste as far as what I would wear out and about. However, they're a good slip-on shoe for what I was looking for. So these are the Toms Alpargata shoes in the Bonsai Green. This is the 10.5 size as far as fit. It's true to size as I discussed. If you're interested in purchasing this, there will be links in the description below for where you can find it on Amazon. And if you have questions, comments, anything like that, you can hit comment below. As always, if you're interested in subscribing to my channel, you can subscribe as well.